That's right, we are back in the Florida Keys. Today we'll be seeing the best of Marathon Key. Our first stop is one of the best state parks in Florida. We've heard that Sandspur Beach is open once again, so we've just gotta check it out. This is the first time we've seen it since Hurricane Irma came through. The Sandspur campsites are quite large, and that may make you wonder why there's a 23-foot limit. I'm guessing it has to do with the road for the campsites being narrow. Backing in a large travel trailer would be a pain. If you're wondering why the beach parking lot is totally empty, it's due to all the seaweed on the beach. Don't worry though, there are other beaches here to enjoy without it. So the fun thing here is you're literally right between the Gulf and the Atlantic. We got the Gulf right over here and the Atlantic just right over there. So the last time we were paddleboarding here, we would actually go back and forth between the Gulf and the Atlantic, and that's kind of fun to say you did. If you come here, you've just got to hike up to the old bridge. It has some of the best views in the Keys. It doesn't get much better than this. With that, let's head over to check out another icon of Marathon Key. So we are now at a spot that's been closed for the past 5 years, but we are really happy that it's reopening again. It's only been open for a couple of months now. I think it opened in June of this year. That's right, we are back at the 7 Mile Bridge. The same old story we just can't ignore, but I'm breathing in. I changed my ways, 'cause I just want you back again. And I know one other thing to be aware of is there is no shade whatsoever on this bridge, and the blacktop, the new blacktop they put down, is hot. So if you're coming in the summer, bring a lot of water, maybe a hat. The bridge is 2.2 miles, and the other end is actually Pigeon Key, which is a little museum you can tour. It does have an entry fee though, so be prepared for that. So one cool fact, if you didn't know, if the parking lot here is full, you can actually go over and park near the Sunset Grill, or if you're going to eat there, actually eat at the Sunset Grill, and then walk under the bridge. There's actually a path to come back up here. So it's a little tip that not many people know. That's right, we made it to the Sunset Grill. Probably the best restaurant, or at least the most fun restaurant, here in Marathon. The restaurant is the kind of place you just want to hang out at on a hot day. The pool is a great place to relax before a great meal here. star of the show here is the Voodoo Grouper Sandwich. You cannot beat it. Alright, we're trying something new today. We're at Captain Hook's and we're going to go out to Looe Key and do some snorkeling. So it should really be a blast. It's going to be 2 sites and take about, 3-4 hours. Looe Key Reef is supposed to be one of, if not the best reef to see here in the Keys. Short boat ride and we are ready to hit the water. There's the star of the show, the Goliath Grouper. We'll have to come back here again sometime for sure. Let's head up the road just a bit and see if we can find a place that serves a cold beverage. We're here in Islamorada, and when you're here, where are you going to stop? You got to stop at the Florida Keys Brewing Company. I've heard it's the place to be. This is the home of the iguana bait beer and you have just got to try it. It's that good. So the Florida Keys Brewing Company is great, but what about the Islamorada Beer Company? We loved it too. Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. We'll catch you next time here at the Weekend Experience.